Hey there, welcome to my vlog. And we're around the house, and in that last series you saw us, or the wife, building her bird feeder.
You need to turn on the water.
Today we're going to
You need to turn on the water.
do that.
Because I need to water my plant.
Hang it out here and see how the birds react. So there's the finished product on its hook. And let's see, how about that one right there?
I'd like it on that one, but it ain't gonna fit.
Why won't it?
Put it right here.
I'm not gonna fit.
Put it right here.
I need something. I need a...
That ain't good. That ain't where I want
It's
it.
too long. Not long enough. Put the next one up. How's that one? Still a little low on me. That'll actually, I think that one will actually go over the...
I want it up there.
Yeah, I know. That'll actually go over the top of that. And I gotta get something to stand on to do it. Alright. That's sitting up there like that. Should be in good shape. I'm sure we'll be seeing the squirrels saying hello on a daily basis. Well, wait.
Well, he's gonna come right through.
I think that's the husk. Husk, right?
No, I think it's these little teeny weeny ones. It's these little baby ones.
That's alright.
It's the little baby white ones. It's the
Okay.
millet.
That's fine. They'll find it. Very nice.
Might have to be a bird feeder that doesn't get any millet in it.
Okay, very good.
We'll see.
Yep, we will see. We shall see. Very nice.
Actually, walk with down so I can pull that.
Okay. Alright. So we'll see. We'll see what we get for a variety of birds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share.